Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Arduino IDE on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Arduino IDE, and the first link which will appear here will be from arduino.cc/software. I will put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this link. And when you scroll down a little, straight away you will see the download button, and the version for macOS will already be selected for you. So the newer macOS systems comes with the Apple Silicon chip. So make sure here whatever option you see, it has Apple Silicon written there. So I can see macOS Apple Silicon, and this is the version we want. There is one more version for macOS which is for Intel chips. So if you have Intel chips, you can select the other options, but most probably you will be having the macOS based on Apple chips. This is the option you want, right? So select the appropriate option for Mac OS from here and then click on download, and it's going to start the download of this file. So once this Arduino macOS file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this file, which is going to open this kind of window. Let me minimize the browser. And to install Arduino on your Mac operating system, you just need to drag this Arduino IDE logo into your applications folder. So if you are using macOS trackpad and your macOS keyboard, just press Command key on your keyboard and then select this Arduino IDE icon and then drag and drop into your applications folder. And this is going to copy this Arduino IDE in your applications folder. And once that's done, I can close this window and I can right click on this window and eject this because we no longer need this. Once Arduino IDE is in our applications folder, I can click on the apps section here and I can see the Arduino IDE logo here. You can also search for Arduino IDE from here. So just click on Arduino IDE from here, from the apps section. So first of all, when you try to start the Arduino IDE for the first time, it's going to show us some kind of warning like this, which says Arduino IDE is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we want to open it. So I'm going to click on open, and it's going to launch the Arduino IDE on our Mac operating system. And you might see some more warnings here, which says allow Arduino IDE to find devices. I'm going to click on allow here, right? So once I click on allow, my Arduino IDE has been fully launched. I can maximize this window, and then from here I can see the board. So when I click on board manager, I will be able to see all these boards here, and then I can also see the sketch section here, right? So these sketches are like the programs which you upload in your Arduino board, right? So from here you can export the compiled binary or upload using programmer, and then you can also debug your thing, right? You can also create a new sketch from file option, or if you want to just open any example. So there are many examples for Arduino. So if you want, you can just open one of these examples. For example, I will just click on this analog read serial example, and it's going to just open this example, and then this example you can directly upload in your Arduino board. So this is how you can install the Arduino IDE on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.